They probably hear me, well, they certainly hear the music before they see me, so they know I'm coming round the road. My name is Kelvin Lewis, and I'm one of the porters at YYF. I've worked for the NHS now for coming up 27 years as a porter. I convert the pharmacy trolley into a sleigh. It's a big, bright red sleigh with a small little reindeer driving the sleigh on a bit of a steering wheel, and play some music. Obviously a couple of Christmas carols, and play some songs going around the wards. Use some of the little white boxes, little tablet boxes, little cardboard boxes, and I just put a couple of sweets in, sort of celebrations and roses, wrap them up and give them to all the good people who've been good all year round. I'm going to sweets for everybody, so obviously, so one or two have been a bit naughty. I do get a lot of enjoyment out of it. Adam patients, they do seem to enjoy the music going around and that, and sometimes I've had to park my sleigh up for them to listen to a couple of carols. The odd time where I thought I'll just push the sleigh onto the ward and that, and then I pushed the sleigh down the ward, and the nurses would shout to me and say, "Where's the music? There's no music playing." And I put it on. I want to hear the music. I want to hear the Christmas carols. So I put the speaker back on, and the Christmas music be playing yet again and that. So I always made sure that every time when I went on the wards there was Christmas music playing. This time of year, although it's happy times, for a lot of people it's also sad times. I wanted to cheer patients up. Obviously it's a terrible time to be in hospital. It's even worse at a more Christmas time. And also the staff, the morale, you know, we all work so hard for the NHS, and especially working all over Christmas. Just to give somebody, dare I say, a little bit of happiness for just a brief moment in time, just to cheer nurses up. If I can cheer somebody up for a couple of seconds, a minute or two, whatever, I just want to put a smile on people's faces and so forth. But I do like to wish all the staff and all the patients in the Nair and Bevan a Merry Christmas. I hope you have some good times.